Hello and welcome to Quick Garden. My name is Michael and I'll be your new host for this new serial of video about the construction of Pineca. For the last 8 years, Quick Garden have been the partner of over 10,000 projects here in France, and we'd like to present you different profile of our old customers. We've been working with you before and during the project, but what about you after the project is built, after your house has been done? So we'd like to know everything, and that's why we're going to visit different clients here in France for the next 2 weeks. And we start right today in Saint-Malo, passing through the capital city to the center, to the lands, and to finish our trip in Nice. So welcome to Quick Garden Home.
So what is the Quick Garden experience? First of all, it is an adventure, a journey through the beautiful French land. It is meeting friendly, wonderful, smiling people. So we've decided to visit some of our beloved Quick Garden customers, people who have invited us into their daily lives, people who have let us into their homes. Together, we share their journey, talk about the idea behind building a log cabin, and share their experience about dealing with the Quick Garden team. A journey of 2 weeks, starting here in Saint-Malo, a small hook by Chartres, followed by the beautiful beaches of Vendée, the historic region of Auvergne and its unusual landscape. Then we contemplate heading south, Les Landes, Albi, l'Ariège, to finally arrive in the Pyrenees Orientales, the Côte d'Azur, with destination finale Cannes, Nice. Make sure you follow our lovely trip on quick-garden.co.uk, Facebook and YouTube.